Oh, so guys. Jawale mama. Ebenyanja tubifunako wa. Kale. Mama. This side. We are looking for fish in an African village, a typical African village. This is Chaco. This is Chaco. Yeah, you know we walked with all the avocado. That's my mom, that's my bro. That's chicken. Chicken. We have Georgia from Kenya. Ngabutini. Hello. That's a flat. It's an apartment actually. All right, thank you so much for coming back to this beautiful channel. I am Shami Vlog Uganda, right in the deepest village of Sumbi, Uganda. Guys, I just want to take you on this small tour of the village, how villages look like in Uganda. So as you can see, a lot of plantations. Yeah, those are maize plantations. That's a homestead, someone's homestead. Check on their compounds. Yeah, so let's go. By the way, I have to look for jackfruits, so come with us. I hope we find some and we'll share with you guys. Why are you crying? She's crying. Hey, twambuka batugambye tukirira teggo twambusa. Oh my god. So guys, by the way, if you have like a warts, this is a medicine for warts. Yeah, if you have warts, this is medicine. You just cut that wart a little bit, you put this. It cures warts within few days. As you can see, these are all plantations, people's plantations, and we are heading to our grand's land. And me, what's taking me there, I really want to get some jackfruits. I've said that jackfruits, I don't know. Yeah, by the way, in Africa we have cars, yes, fine, but here in the village food should be that's why the roads are very narrow. Yeah, but that's a village school. Yeah, check on the village schools, they're really nice. But this is the school. Hello, is that a school? Oh, it's a secondary school. Vocation, yeah, it's a vocational training, but it's really nice. Let me tell you one thing in Uganda, schools and schools, actually village schools, they're nice. Yeah, it really looks beautiful. It's a vocational training school. Yeah? Oh my god, guys, this is a banana plantation. Yep, I guess all of you know that in Uganda we are Matoke people. That's a banana plantation. So it's also ours actually. Oh my god, those are Irish potatoes. This is a spice, a tea spice. It has a very nice scent. Oh no, binabikajo. Oh? Yeah. I thought these are sugar canes, but I've told you they are not sugar canes. These are cassava. Hey! Guys, this is a swamp. Actually, that's like a small river. Only that there are plants in. Hey! Mama! Hey! Yeah. Jangu. Gag. Mukwate koyo. Guys, see that flat? Hello. Guys, that's a flat. It's an apartment actually. So guys, we are on a hunt of mangoes and jackfruits. Oh, we didn't find jackfruits the other side. But check on the cover. This one looks to be ripe.
You want to?
Ripe, it's ripe.
Yeah?
It's ripe. Yeah. Another trees here. It also has fruits. So guys, we are looking for jackfruits. I want to first break this one. Yeah, it's almost. Yeah, Oma.
Kagize okala naye tekayinza kuvaako bulungi egundi akawoomu kali akasusuka waggulu.
We are eating chocolate in a raw form. The raw material chocolate. So guys, we are still hunting for jackfruits and see what we came across. Water. Want to drink some water? Wallahi ganyo goga.
Wala nnyo kino kya wala. Nabula obwana ndani mbuloro bukulabaho.
Wallahi ganyo goga ate. Nega nonga tegawunya. Tuna twage naye amazzi gawunya. Guys, in Africa, water is everywhere. So, this is free water. Oh my goodness. Guys, that's free water. And it's really cold. Yeah. This is Africa. This is what makes Africa. Let me tell you. Water is everywhere and clean, super clean. Guys, this is how African villages look like. Check on houses. Houses are like not too close. This is a community church for Protestants. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I've walked like 10 miles today. Just going around the village, greeting people, seeing different homesteads, stuff like that. Whew. Oh my god. The top. So guys, we are harvesting maize. We want to boil corn for evening tea. That's why we are harvesting maize now.
There is no gain without. Thank you very much.
Woo, this team is crazy. This one looks to be good. So after, you have to break this, like the stem, and put it down.
Omumu yabaga bogo omuceere si buli omuntu agukwatamu. Babu yagugaba.
Oh, so guys, yep, this is Misha's vlog. This is another day. Yeah, yesterday didn't finish the video, but yeah, we are still in the village. This is a typical African market. We are looking for fish. Agambieri. Jawale kuma. Ebenyanja tubifunako wa. Kale. Mama. This side. We are looking for fish in an African village, a typical African village. This is charcoal. This is charcoal. Yeah, you know we walked with all the avocado. That's my mom, that's my bro. That's chicken. Chicken. We have Jaja from Kenya. Ngabutini. Hello. These are fish fillets. Oh, that's a head actually. It looks like a python. So guys, this is how we clean fish in Uganda actually. We are in a village called Chiwenda. Yeah. So guys, we have been looking for fish around this village. This is a small town in a village called Chiwenda, but we first went to a village called Busika. We didn't find fish, so we came to this village. Actually, we have even traveled like 7 miles to reach here. Yeah. Oh my god, but I love the fact that villages this side are developed. They have electricity, they have running water, they have good roads. Yeah. And everything. Of course, food in abundance. Check there. Check matoke everywhere. Yeah. I came with these people. By the way, guys, this person cleans even the fish for you. They clean the fish for you, they slice it for you, and you just get already made. If you want them to wash it for you, they do wash it for you. Guys, those are eggs, fish eggs.
yingira mu dduuka olw'olulimi wowulira eddoboozi lino weefuna essimu ekika kya tekino infinix itel osasula empola just